Welcome to TRT and Hormone Optimization. Today we are answering your top questions about 20% compounded testosterone cream for TRT, a method our experts often discuss. Let's dive into the facts, but first a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not medical advice. Compounded testosterone cream and TRT should only be used under the supervision of a licensed healthcare professional. Hormone therapy may carry significant health risks. Always consult your doctor before starting or adjusting treatment. Viewer discretion is advised. 20% compounded testosterone cream is a custom-made topical medication prescribed by a doctor to deliver testosterone through the skin. It's formulated at a 20% concentration in an HRT base, which experts recommend for faster absorption and less risk of skin irritation compared to other bases. It's often applied to the scrotal skin for optimal results. Experts recommend applying the cream to the scrotal skin because it's thinner and has more androgen receptors, enhancing testosterone absorption compared to areas like the shoulders or thighs. The HRT base further improves absorption speed and reduces irritation, but this method must be medically supervised to ensure safety. The Topi-Click Dispenser delivers precise doses of the 20% testosterone cream, ensuring you apply the exact amount prescribed, typically twice daily. Each click releases a measured dose of the HRT-based cream, for example 50 mg, making it easy to follow your doctor's instructions and avoid dosing errors. When supervised by a doctor, benefits of TRT with 20% cream in a HRT base may include improved energy, mood and muscle mass for those with low testosterone. The HRT base minimizes irritation and enhances absorption. Risks include potential skin sensitivity, hormonal imbalances or transference to others. This last risk is of course minimized by using it on the scrotum. Always use a reputable compounding pharmacy and follow medical guidance. That's it for your top questions about 20% compounded testosterone cream. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe to TRT and Hormone Optimization and drop your questions in the comments. Always consult your doctor before starting TRT. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.